BNSF fan. We got a train over here in Sultan. Heritage 3. Locomotive. I don't know. It's an auto rack. So apparently you can catch CPKC auto racks. Brand new looking. So maybe we'll catch one sometime soon. I remember a while back in a really far away video of an auto rack in Sultan. I said, catch your KCS and CP while you still can, because they're going to combine soon. No one has seen a CPKC unit, because there aren't any yet. At least not official, like new paint scheme ones that I know of.
BNSF detector. Milepost 1762.2. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 300 out.
Yeah, 300 exact. Not bad. I hear back engines. Yeah, Norfolk Southern, BNSF, some other railroads, CN, KCS, CN, BNSF, and 2 BNSF units on the back. Okay, that was a train in Sultan, Washington. Thanks for watching.